Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. आज global equity markets overall risk sentiment looks to be stable, and even the Asian currencies like Chinese Yuan is appreciating. Indian rupee has been extremely resilient. Just imagine, oil price is close to $100 and we are talking about dollar rupee around 74 half levels. That is extreme resilience. That is amazing resilience. I don't think anybody would have forecasted this. If you would have asked this question to people a few months back that oil will be close to 100, where would the dollar rupee be? You would have got all kind of wild estimates, and all of them were wrong. So dollar rupee is stable around 74.50, 74.60. तो आज ये stable global environment में there is higher possibility of rupee appreciating further. So how to play this? There are three kinds of trades which can be done. One is you can sell out of money call options क्योंकि अभी भी VIX थोड़ा सा elevated है. तो VIX elevated है, selling out of money options is a good idea because there is a slight drift down. So you can target let's say 75, 25 or 75 call options क्योंकि 75 remains a major resistance. कल भी वही level पे जाके वो reject हुआ. So 75 remains a major resistance level. So you can sell a 75 or a 75-25 call. Target expiries like 4th of March, which is next week, क्योंकि ये हफ्ते के expiry में कुछ खास premium मिलने वाला है नहीं. But maintain stops in them because global geopolitical situation is very, very fluid, or things can change just overnight. So इसके लिए we need to have stops. And in case the dollar rupee makes a move above 75 with volume, then we will change our bias from being downward to upward. But जब तक वो 75 के ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है, our bias remains slightly downward. So one is selling out of money call options. दूसरा strategy ये है कि you can wait for pullbacks to short futures. जैसे 74, 80 के आसपास. You can sell futures with a stop loss above 75 on a daily closing basis. तीसरा trade है ratio trade, in which what you do is you sell more out of money call options than put options. For example, one can sell 74.25 put and 75.25 call, but sell let's say 2:1, 2 calls for every 1 put. So उसमें क्या है, you're just not doing a strangle. You are laying more emphasis on the fact that there is a slight downward drift, but 74.25 के आसपास is going to take support. क्योंकि 74.25, 74 this zone is technically a strong support level, and also ये zone पे generally RBI का intervention is anticipated. So this is the third kind of trade which can be done, is a ratio trade. So I'll just summarize. One is selling out of money call options but with a stop. 75 के ऊपर जाते ही the view becomes bullish उसके ऊपर अगर dollar rupee sustain करता है. दूसरा है shorting futures with a stop above 75 on a daily closing basis. And तीसरा है to do a ratio trade. These three trades can be done. Crosses में we are structurally bullish on GBP. Now GBPINR has not been able to move up because dollar rupee का जो down move है that is dragging it down. So the moment USDINR will stabilize, we will see an up move in the GBPINR. The reason we are bullish on GBPINR is because of three reasons. Its economy is doing very well. So a strong economy, red hot inflation, and its central bank has already hiked rates twice and is on course to hike it for the third time next month. So ये तीनों reason की वजह से we remain structurally bullish on GBP, and in GBPINR we expect the uptrend to start once dollar rupee can find stability, or let's say it slips into a range. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.